Hey guys, good morning to you all, and I welcome you all once again to the channel. This morning I'm going for akara hunting, and this place I'm going to is one of my favorite akara spots here in Lagos. The ladies akara is always yummy and fluffy. So guys, that's the update that I want to give you guys this morning, and I welcome you all once again to the channel. Please wait though, let me buy something. All right, I'm back. I just stopped by to buy a cam.
I dey mad for you, I dey craze for you. They say I dey do like say I be fool, but I am a fool for you.
Hey guys, how are you people doing? It has been long time no see. It has been long that I picked the vlog. Like, it has really been long. There is nothing much ongoing now. Today I just want to go and drop a parcel in one cargo company, so I'm on my way going to that place. And I will say that I'm starting this vlog here. I will start this vlog today. If this is your first time of seeing this face, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Do well to subscribe after watching my video, like and comment. And to my old subscribers, I'm seeing the love, I'm seeing the likes, the comments and other things. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for liking, thank you for commenting, for subscribing. We are just trying, don't mind me, I'm saying we because I'm here with my husband. We are just trying to locate the place that we are going to. I hope you guys are good. I'd love to see your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys. Hey guys, this is me again. How are you people doing? Thank God that I later found that place that I was looking for. And guys, I'm going somewhere. I'm going to deliver something. I would say that it's a home delivery because a customer surprised me. He bought so many perfumes from me, not one, not two, not three, and I decided to go out of my way to make sure that the person is satisfied because he's a first-time customer. And being that as a vendor, any vendor that values his or her customer, you will know that customers are king. So as we are making our money, your customer satisfaction should also be your ultimate priority. So guys, that's all. I want the person to come back again and buy from me. And if this is your first time of seeing this face, I am Ogkels, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Don't make it your last. Like, comment and subscribe.
Hey loves, welcome back. I'm just coming back from the market. Yes, I decided to use voiceover in this particular clip because, hey, on this fateful day, I was like, I felt like I wasted my money because immediately my phone rang, my heart skipped. My mom and my mom-in-law called me that they cargoed some things, some food items for me, although I'm not really sure of the food items that will be in the bag, but they said that they cargoed it this fateful day that I went to market, and I bought catfish, ede, aqua, red oil, small king's oil. I think this is the 3 liters or thereabouts, and I was pained because I felt like I wasted money. You people chat to watch out for that video. I did a market vlog and unboxing haul. See ya.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to pick up some of my food items that came from the east. Family friend helped me in picking them up. He really tried. That thing that thing go full my boots. You people will see it, sha. It will full my boot to the brim. But this person, he traveled with Sienna and he helped me in picking all these items. So I'm just going to the place that he said I should come out so that he will transfer the thing to my own car. But seriously, I'm not feeling fine. I don't know what is wrong with me. My whole body is weak. I'm weak. I'm tired. And today is Sunday, by the way. Hope you went to church today. Happy Sunday. I'm Ogkels and welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See ya. Bye. I will vlog no matter what. We'll do the unboxing together, but oh god, I don't know where to start from. But let's see how it goes, guys. See ya. Hey guys, how are you people doing? Welcome back to the channel. And I'm about going out. I want to go and buy drug. Like I said earlier, I'm not feeling too strong and I'm not getting any much better. I'm just forcing myself, pretending to smile, but I'm not getting fine. The video that's supposed to go up yesterday, I didn't upload the video because yesterday, all through yesterday, I was sleeping and I barely opened my eyes yesterday. All through yesterday, my eyes were closed. I don't know, I might, and that video, I'll just try and post it this weekend because I did a weekend in my live vlog. So let's see how it goes. I'm about heading out. Please, sorry about the noise at the background. I'm outside and I'm not the only person staying in this compound, and I can't, just because I'm vlogging, I won't close people's mouths. See ya.
I dey mad for you, I dey craze for you. They say I dey do like say I be fool, but I am a fool for you. Make it them the talk, now them get it them out. Anything you need in him, I go buy my money, now your money. Moo 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 moo, make them call me moo moo. I don't need sense to love, your love makes
070